Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. My theme for this month is water lilies. Last week's spread was by far my favorite. I kinda wanted to continue adding koi fishes with the water lilies. I envisioned a flower on the top left with a horizontal line across the top where the fishes swim in. As usual, I start off by using the Sakura Pigma Micron in 01, following the pencil lines that I've already done. The quote to the left of the habit tracker is by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and it says, "Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience." The color of the water lily will be yellow this time, with the koi having the same orange shades as in my last spread. I used my St. Petersburgh for the coloring. For the colors, I mainly use cadmium yellow and cadmium lemon for the water lily. Then for the koi fishes, I used a mixture between cadmium yellow and cadmium red to get an orange shade, with more details just using the cadmium red. For the water, I just used ultramarine and azure, and the leaves I kept in the green shade that is in the watercolor kit. I later outlined the flower with a Sakura Pigma Micron in 05 because I wanted it to stand out more. To achieve a crisp line across the top where the koi fishes swim in, I used masking tape. It's easy to remove, however, I teared a little bit because I wasn't careful enough, but it's barely visible. Instead of masking tape, you could also use washi tape. I, however, don't have washi tape, so I used masking tape that was lying around in the garage. Aside from the top portion of the page, this spread is a little bit more simple. I still like this spread. It has a calm effect in the way the fish swim around the water. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and until next Friday. Bye!